Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to do a hair texture on Procreate. So you want to select a new canvas and make the canvas 550 pixels by 525 pixels. You want to make your canvas, then you want to choose your hair color. It can be natural or unnatural. I'm personally choosing a nice brown. So with your brown, or I'm doing brown, whichever colour you've chosen, you want to fill in the entire page, just like that. Then you want to choose a slightly lighter colour and change your brush size down a bit. And just inside that brown, you want to, just like that, colour in the inside of it. Then grab a lighter colour again, and inside that lighter bit, want to do it again, but this time you have to make sure it doesn't touch the edge of the colour, just like that. Then grab a lighter colour again, nearly white but not quite white, and just the very middle bit like that. Then grab a completely white, the lightest will go, and just draw a line in the middle. Then you want to select, after you've done that, you want to select your smudge tool, and then select the smudge brush. You want to click on touch ups, then click on short hair, change your brush size up to full, then just in up and down motion you want to smudge in the colours, and you'll have to do maybe go over it maybe 2 or 3 times just so you can get it looking nice. And there's your hair texture. Now you can really do this with any colour you want. Like I've got blue, rainbow, like literally anything. So thanks for watching, I hope this helped, and for now, goodbye.